Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability.
Welcome to the future of drone technology, where hydrogen fuel cells are extending drone missions and revolutionizing aerial operations with clean, long-duration power. Currently, lithium battery-powered drones are limited to just 20-40 minutes of flight time, a constraint that restricts possibilities for public safety teams, researchers, and environmental professionals. Enter hydrogen fuel cells, which enable drones to fly for 2 to 3 hours, significantly extending flight times compared to traditional battery drones. Hydrogen fuel cells are shattering the endurance ceiling, offering 2 to 3 times more energy per kilogram than lithium batteries, and opening new horizons for drone missions. With proven technology, hydrogen fuel cells allow drones to fly for hours. Simply land, swap the hydrogen cartridge in minutes, and launch again, eliminating lengthy downtime. Unlike heavy lithium-ion batteries, hydrogen is incredibly light and offers high energy density, leading to more efficient energy storage and usage. Utility companies can now inspect hundreds of kilometers of power lines in 1 or 2 continuous flights, saving time, reducing costs, and enhancing safety for personnel. In search and rescue missions, every extra minute in the air can be the difference between life and death. Hydrogen drones provide better real-time intelligence to first responders. In agriculture, hydrogen drones enable continuous field surveys, larger crop spraying areas, and comprehensive soil analysis, helping farmers boost yields sustainably. For logistics and delivery, hydrogen fuel cells unlock new possibilities for speed, range, and payload, with the only emission being pure water vapor. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to generate electricity without combustion, resulting in no noise and providing quiet, reliable power for drone operations. Proton exchange membrane technology features a lightweight stack, aviation-grade carbon fiber storage, and modular design for easy cartridge swapping. Safety is paramount, with hydrogen drones engineered to withstand extreme conditions, featuring auto-venting and rapid dissipation to rival conventional battery-powered UAVs. When produced through renewable energy, hydrogen offers a carbon-free mission from start to finish, making it a truly sustainable option for drone operations. The green revolution is underway, with companies and governments racing to decarbonize transport, logistics, and industry through solar-powered electrolysis and green hydrogen. Today, hydrogen faces challenges like higher upfront costs and limited refueling infrastructure, but the future promises falling costs, growing infrastructure, and increased green production. Major economies are investing billions in green hydrogen production, storage, and distribution, with initiatives in the United States, European Union, and Asia-Pacific leading the charge. Pioneers like Intelligent Energy, Doosan Mobility, and Ballard Power are leading the way with viral demonstrations, multi-hour flights, and offshore inspections, setting new standards in the industry. The same hydrogen fuel cell systems are being scaled up for cargo aircraft, air taxis, and regional flights, marking a new era in clean aviation and urban mobility. Seize the opportunity to transform sectors with hydrogen fuel cells. Enroll in the Green Hydrogen Development and Financing course at ReneEnergy.com and lead the green hydrogen revolution. The sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning.
Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening.